Hey y'all, the bees are here at Castle Hives, so let's get them installed. I can't wait to get this 2021 season going. All right, everybody, so if you saw the live, and I'll put the link up there, I went and picked up the bees from Greg, Nature's Image Farms. Great guy. Dan there also. Appreciate it, brother. I got to install them today. So yesterday it was a little bit too cold. Today we've got, you know, low 60s, sun. I got to get the girls in their homes. So let's get this thing all going and get them installed. I mean, I got to get the season started. All right, everybody, we are going to get the bees into resource hive. So this will be red and resource yellow. So I got an extra queen here. Okay. Let's see here. That empty is going to come out here. You know, I'm going to put that right towards the middle. That one will go towards the middle. That one will go there. All right, I got a plan.
Where's our rubber bands?
I don't have any.
I have some. You want me to go get some?
It doesn't matter. I'm going to keep on going.
I'll be right back.
And this queen here, she's a nice, oh my gosh. Look at this queen in here. Nice red. Wow. Got that one. They're gonna get sprayed. All right, so this one here, they're gonna get dumped. Some here, some there, some over here.
Here for me.
And then this is going to go right there. All right.
For your queens.
I'd probably be able to get this from here. Right here.
I'd still put a rubber band around it so you don't have a problem with it falling.
That screw got lost somewhere.
You probably left it in your other hive.
One side done. Now, other side, queen's over there.
Did you get your cork out?
Nice fat queen in this. Wow, look at her.
Yeah, I think you probably went through them and picked the fattest ones out for yourself.
All right, everybody. And then they're gonna get syrup.
Good deal.
Okay, one resource hive's done. Okay, everybody, on to another resource hive. Another resource hive. There's a queen, I'll set her down there. Pull out that.
I'm gonna put the rubber bands right over here.
Yeah, you can if you want. There's this.
This one's done.
That one's done? Okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna shake these.
Okay.
They're set. And these have entrance reducers on them too.
Okay, these two are both ready. Do you need a rubber band?
Queen's good. Nope. How's she look?
I couldn't see her. There's too many bees on there.
Oh, she's right there. So I'll tell everybody, the reason why I got packages and not nukes is because I have all of this drawn comb, and the benefit to these colonies is that they are, instead of having to work and build out all of that comb, they have it already. So that's the benefit, you know, like I was saying, turn a negative into a positive. That is what I did from losing hives. So we've got all that access to drawn comb now. So let's get on to another one. All right, everybody. So this hive here is my original hive. This was main Castle Hive, but I mean, this is main Castle Hive part 2. So this one, this was a great hive.
Yeah, too bad.
I mean, great hive. yourself.
Okay.
Cover it.
Give me the queen and I'll take the cork out.
All right. Set that there. Set that there. Oh, this hive doesn't have a bottom. I'm gonna have to put a bottom on this hive. Oh. Yeah, she can go right there, actually.
They're ready, both of them. Save some for the second one.
Okay, those that are there, they'll go there.
Here's the queen. Yeah, these are a little more aggressive. They're pinging me and everything. Little buggers. Be nice now. We're only here to give you a new home.
Let's get my bee space. Top.
This hive's going to come in with a handicap because there ain't many bees.
No, I have another package yet.
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah.
I did a good job washing them, huh?
Yeah. So we're going to fill this top feeder here, and then we're going to get on to the last two. And this one here is a little bit tight.
There you go. Good
All right,
deal.
last two. All right, last two. That's it, everybody. 9 hives now.
Thank goodness.
So what we'll expect now is they'll do orientation flights. They will probably within a couple days release the queens, and I'll come in just to check on that. I got to put ratchet straps around them just to get them secured, clean up a little bit of a mess, but that's all the packages here. And I got 2 splits coming also. So my mom, she's the helper today, so, and she's going to manage that hive over there. She's going to do all the decisions. So everybody keep on watching for this year, and we're just going to, you know, expand like crazy here. So everybody take care, have a good day. Thanks for watching.
Bye.